Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Hope you're all doing well. As I said in my previous video, it will be an unboxing. Yes, and you have seen the little picture. It will be an unboxing, but before I will explain you how this unboxing happened, because maybe some information could interest you. So let's go. During February, we had some holidays here in France, and my family and we spent some time in Saint Tropez. Yes, Saint Tropez. Maybe you know this little town in the south of France, in the department Var. I don't know how you pronounce it in English, but in French it is Var. And it's a beautiful place. It's seriously a beautiful place in front of the sea. And I know Saint Tropez since I am a child. It happens that I went there several times on holidays. And my kids do not know Saint Tropez. So that's the reason why my husband and we decided to spend some time there to show our kids the place, because it's really a beautiful place. At the very beginning it was a little village, but if you know the story, one of our famous French actresses live in this place, Brigitte Bardot, and it became famous. A lot of other famous people, actors and musicians and singers went there. There's a lot of party during the summer, and everyone knows Saint Tropez. It's really famous. And so we went there and we have an amazing time. And a little tips for you: if you are coming to France and south of France, you can visit Saint Tropez during winter, and I have to say it's quite pleasant. Seriously, there's few people. There are people, but it is not overcrowded like in summer. A lot of restaurants and hotels and shops are open. Of course, not every shop are open, and if you know the place, you know that every luxurious brand got one shop in Saint Tropez. You can see Chanel, Dior, Hermes, Bottega Veneta, Loro Piana. Well, they are all there. Louis Vuitton, they are all there, and some of them only open their stores from March, April. Hermes is open all year long, such as Longchamp and so on, but some brands only opens from April to October. Even if you are not looking especially to do some shopping, a lot of shops are open and you can spend an amazing time. And as I just told you, there's less people, and this is very pleasant. And that's the reason why we went there during winter, because we have two children, and I have to say I feel more secure when we have less people around us. So but just for the history, and just to tell you why we went there. And it was great. And every time I make a little trip and I know there's a Longchamp boutique in the area, of course I try to visit it. And because the last time I went to Saint Tropez, to be honest, I was on the beach, I made a party, but I didn't went for shopping. So this time I had a time and I went to the Longchamp boutique, and the boutique is just beautiful. I will insert some pics, and it's really gorgeous. Of course, nearly all Longchamp boutiques look alike, because it's a strategy from Longchamp to make them super cozy and like a tiny apartment, but they all have differences. And the Saint Tropez one is really gorgeous. It's not super big, but it's not too tiny, and in fact, you can see nearly the whole collection. It's simply beautiful. I love how they arrange and present the collection. I love how they present the pliage bags. like books on shelves. It's really gorgeous and I had an amazing time. And by the way, I want to say a little hi to Delphine Gresson, bonjour, and her colleague. We had a lovely discussion and it was super nice. Normally, when I made a little trip and I visit Longchamp Boutique, I do not buy something because I know already the whole collection, I can buy in my own area, but I don't know why. Maybe the boutique was so cute. I went back with a little souvenir. So without further ado, I will unbox it. As you can tell by the bag, it's not something super big, but it's lovely. I can tell it's lovely. So I picked the Cosmetic pouch in the Marshmallow color. Yes, I know, my friends, I always tell you that I am not a pink lover, but I have to say when I saw it in this tiny design, I fell in love. Here it is in all her glory, and look at the pink shade. I will compare a bit later with my other pink item. It's a lovely pastel-y one, really cute, but it's not too pastel-y and not too bright. And this is something really important. I think this shade is really lovely to my point of view. I will explain you. You will see why. So here it is. It's the traditional pouch. So for once I paid the full price and it's 100 American dollar or 85 euro. This is quite a price for something so tiny, but I could not resist and I thought, okay, for once you will enjoy it for sure. Even if I do admit this is not my favorite pouch design. I really prefer the previous ones, but this item is still very practical and you can use it. So you've got the handle and here it is. I make a quick turn and the bottom. So you've got the traditional flap with a button pressure. You open it, you've got the zip. Here you have the zipper puller and you have one main compartment and of course the Longchamp tag, and there is no pocket. The inside is white and I can tell you, you can fit a bunch of items in this little pouch. And yes, I fell in love. Maybe it's due to the Saint Tropez vibe. I have to be fully honest with you, I also hesitate a lot, seriously a lot, whether if I should buy this item, the special edition Saint Tropez, the special travel bag, pliage travel bag. It's not all boutique which has this bag, but for example Saint Tropez, Deauville, London and so on, they have those bags. And I really love the Saint Tropez one with the pétanque balls. I play pétanque sometimes and I love that. And I don't know, the color, it was a bright orange. It was really gorgeous and I was super tempted. But let's be honest, I already have 5 Longchamp travel bags. Of course, not all are mine, but it's our family travel bags and I think it's too much. So I decided to not hide it, but it was really gorgeous. And even it's a piece of collection, it's really big, so I could not even expose it on shelves. So I declined, but I was really tempted. And I bring this little souvenir. So without further ado, I will show you the others I got in my collection. Oh, but before I forgot, I got a little gift and I really appreciate. Delphine Gresson offers me stickers and look at them. They are from the pink collection and it's lovely. Seriously, I will use them in my notebook. Merci Delphine. So back to my collection of pouch. I have 3 of them, yes. The very first one is this one in the blush color, which was one of the very first color they released. I really like the color. It's a lovely kind of orangey vibe colors. I love it. It's not too orangey, it's not too dark, and compared to this pink, it even looks paprika now, but it's really a lovely blush. And I've got this one, and this one is really special to my heart because it's my Longchamp sales associate who gifted me, Beatrice Severin, and I love it. This one is the special, limited and special edition Longchamp Robert Indiana, and I love it. Seriously, I love it. I use it when I go to the restaurant. I just took it like this, and it's gorgeous. I got a lot of compliment about this pochette, this pouch. Look at the zipper puller, it's lovely. So I got now those 3. Yeah, they are really lovely. Oh, and this is silver, and the original, because you know there's also the green version, the original got the gold hardware. So now let's compare the pink. I got a backpack, a Pliage Club backpack, and it was the baby pink color with white stitching and white button. And compared to it, look, when I told you that this one was really bright, it is not white, but it's really a very, very pale pink. So this one, Marshmallow, is a bit darker, and I really appreciate it. I think they match well. And of course, I got my candied one, and this one was a really strong neon pink, and I love it. I still think it's the best pink that Longchamp ever made. And compared to Marshmallow, look at it. But they match well. I really like the combination. Yes, it's really too pink, beautiful, but I still prefer this one. But I have to say, this one, I really like the shade. Here we are, so I have added this little pouch. I do not regret buying it full price. I know it's a souvenir. And when I will look at it, I will think about this little trip with my family. And I am very happy. Do you bring back souvenir, for example, Longchamp Souvenir, when you travel? Please let me know in the comment. Let me also know in the comment if you got this cosmetic pouch in your collection. As I showed you, I've got 3 of them. And yeah, I quite like them. They are cute and they can fit a bunch. So yes, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned because you know here we are always talking. I always talk about bags, but you can also talk to me about bag in the comments. Do not hesitate. If you have any question or you need more information about something, let me know. I will be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video again. Till the next one, take care. I love you. Bye bye.